For Sunrisers Hyderabad, even today bowlers leaked runs.
Well, I think our strength is our death bowling, but unfortunately, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, the most experienced bowler in our franchise, got injured the previous match. Khalil also was not fully fit for this match. That's why we had to go with newcomers, and it happens. It's a very tough wicket to bowl on. We all know that how the batsmen enjoy playing on this wicket. If you see, this is the lowest score compared to the other matches. If you see on this wicket. So overall, I think we are very happy with the way our bowlers have bowled so far in this tournament. And Sid Kaul had a bad day at the office, and it happens to anyone on any particular day.
What prompted the decision to bowl only Yorkers at Kiran Pollard and Hardik Pandya in the deck from a very specific angle and at a specific pace, even though it made the plan predictable? Was there some observations made about the game?
When you are playing against quality players, quality strikers like Pollard and Hardik Pandya, you want to be at your best, especially your defensive lengths and lines. And on this wicket, the ground is small, the dimensions of the square boundaries are small, so anything in the length will disappear from these power hitters. So I think the best defensive ball was Yorker, and we tried our best. We were successful majority of the times, but whenever the ball landed on length, I think they have got the experience and the power to dispatch it out of the boundary.
How crucial is the lack of a proper fifth bowling option, and how do you plan to address this issue?
Well, we've seen in the last match that Samad, in fact, bowled the last over. Unfortunately, Bhuvi missed out and he held his nerve. So both Samad and Abhishek Sharma are capable bowlers who can give us those 4 overs from the fifth bowling option. I think we're trying to find our best combination as far as the playing 11 is concerned. We know that we're using 3 overseas batsmen, but it's great to see the youngsters coming in and performing with the bat. And I'm sure that with more experience, they'll also perform with the ball.
Was Kane Williamson's soft dismissal the turning point in your run chase?
Well, you have to have wickets in hand, but at the same time, when you're chasing such a big total, you have to also maintain the run rate. You can't be behind. Unfortunately, we lost Kane and then Warner at crucial times. Just when Warner was looking to change the gear and picking up the momentum, we lost him. And Kane's dismissal also was a very crucial one, because we know how experienced Kane is to handle various situations. But I think in the end, I just felt that it was too much for the youngsters to get. But I was very impressed with the way Samad came out and expressed himself. Overall, I think I'm sure the batsmen will learn from this experience, because it's very important to have wickets in hand if you're chasing a big total on this ground.
And the last question for the day is, was it the small boundaries that forced you not to bowl Abhishek Sharma, and for the most part of it, there were left-handers out there in the middle?
Yeah, I think that's the reason why we had Kane Williamson, because 2 left-handers in the form of Ishan Kishan and Quinton de Kock were batting. And Abhishek is a left-arm spinner. We thought Kane can also provide us with those off-spinners. And at the same time, Samad is someone who is not a conventional leg spinner, who bowls a lot of top-spin deliveries. So that's why we went with those options. I thought Kane bowled well. It's just that Quinton de Kock, unfortunately, we missed his chance. We missed an opportunity to get him out early, and that probably also costed us runs.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें, ताकि आप क्रिकेट की कोई भी खबर मिस ना करें। चाहे स्पोर्ट्स की ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हो या क्रिकेट का कोई अपडेट, प्लेयर्स की मस्ती हो या मैदान पर लाइव एक्शन, हर वीडियो मिलेगा न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स पर। हम कंट्रोवर्सीज भी मिस नहीं करते, तो जुड़िए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24 स्पोर्ट्स।